Well, we continue that excitement because the person I'm going to invite on stage next is going to set it on fire. I promise you that, and he's going to send you back thinking and introspecting, and I think you would be a changed person post the next, well, almost hour. The person who's coming on next is the founder of Qualified Learning Systems USA. He's an author, educator, business consultant, and a successful entrepreneur. He's also a much sought after speaker. He inspires and encourages people, making them realize their true potential. He's taken his dynamic personal messages to opposite sides of the globe, from the US to Singapore. His 30 years of research, understanding, and experience have helped people on the path of personal growth and fulfillment. If you haven't already guessed, let me tell you, he is the author of 16 books, including the international bestseller, You Can Win, which has sold over 2.8 million copies in 16 languages, which says a lot. His other books are creating new records as well. His clients include the likes of Lufthansa, IBM, HP, Citigroup, HSBC, Canon, Nestle, Philips, Mercedes-Benz, Johnson & Johnson, and many, many, many more. Tens of thousands of people have benefited from his dynamic workshops internationally in over 17 countries, and millions have heard him as a keynote speaker. He has appeared on numerous radio and television shows. He's been recognized by the Roundtable Foundation, honored by the Rotary International and the Lions International. His trademark, and I'm sure you know who I'm talking about, but his trademark is winners don't do different things. They do things differently. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing short of a thundering, thundering, thundering round of applause for the one and only Mr. Shiv Khera. I'd like to request Mr. Sachin Maurya to please felicitate Mr. Shiv Khera with a small token of appreciation from our side. And may I invite both of you on stage as well. Please, sir, may I please invite you to come and join us on stage? Thank you, sir. May I request you both to stay back and also do the honors and give away the first set of awards, if you may, please. All right, then. Thank you so much for doing the honors, ladies and gentlemen. The first award for this evening is the National Retailer of the Year, and the winner is Food Bazaar. Best of everything offered with a seal of freshness and purity. That's their tagline, and they believe in it. Congratulations. The second award for this evening is Footwear Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Reliance Footprint Limited, unmatched choice at unbeatable prices. Congratulations. Award is Best in Retail Automotive, and the award goes to Mahindra First Choice Wheels Limited. And the aim is to provide complete ecosystem to the used car customer. Congratulations. This next award goes to the Pharmacy Retailer of the Year, and the winner is Guardian Pharmacy. Congratulations. They are India's fastest growing chain of health, wellness, and beauty stores across the country. Congratulations. Our next award is for CDIT and Telecommunications Retailer of the Year, and the winner is Reliance Digital. Congratulations, Reliance Digital. They seek to become the most preferred technology solution provider in consumers' mind through key propositions. Our next award is for the Home Retailer of the Year, and the winner is Godrej Interior, transforming the digital world. This next award is for Cafe Restaurant of the Year. And the winner of this next award is Cafe Coffee Day. Congratulations. Cafe Coffee Day is committed to bringing the world-class coffee drinking experience at affordable prices. Next award is for Quick Service Restaurant of the Year, and it goes to KFC India. Congratulations. Congratulations, KFC. So good. This next award is for Beauty Spa and Salon of the Year, and it goes to Natural Salon. Congratulations. Naturals has grown to become India's most prominent chain of hair and beauty salons. Our next award is Book Retailer of the Year, and this award goes to Crossword Bookstores Limited. Congratulations. Information, for knowledge, for pleasure. Crossword equals learning and fun together. Our next award is Fine Dine Restaurant of the Year, and it goes to Masala Library by Jigs Kalra. Congratulations. Big smiles. These pictures are for posterity. Our next award is Best in Customer Service, Financial Services, and the winner is ICICI Securities Limited. Congratulations. ICICI Securities facilitates over 3 million Indians to seamlessly access the capital market with ICICIdirect.com. Our next award is Best in Home Delivery, and don't we all know it? Domino's Pizza India, Jubilant Foodworks Limited. Congratulations. Well, we've got the delivery just in time. Hands up. And a round of applause for our winners. Congratulations. Our next award is for Best Logistics Service Provider, and the winner is Safe Express Private Limited, India's largest supply chain and logistics company. Congratulations. Our next award is CSR Initiative of the Year, and it goes to Lulu International Shopping Mall Private Limited. Congratulations. And this one is for spreading smiles by spreading light. They truly believe in opening the world of visions to the needy through massive eye donation drive, free eye checkups and eye surgeries. Congratulations, guys. They're doing a good job. I think they deserve a little bit of encouragement from all of us here. Congratulations. And all the best for the good work that you are doing. The next award is for Best Use of Social Media, and it goes to Creative Portico Private Limited. Congratulations. Portico New York is the leading home fashion brand in bed and bath category, embarks the movement of making every Indian home fashionable. Our next award is E-Retail Solution Provider of the Year, and the winner is DTDC Courier and Cargo Limited. Congratulations to you. DTDC is working to emerge as the leading express and cargo distribution company in India. The next award is for Most Innovative E-Retailer, and it's Naptol Online Shopping Private Limited. Congratulations. Naptol.com is India's leading alternate retail platform. And our next award is for Best E-Commerce Payment Innovation. And the winner is My Mobile Payments Limited. Congratulations. Money on Mobile is the provider of mobile wallets to the consumer with the ability to convert paper cash to the digital format. Congratulations. Our next award is for Gaming E-Retailer of the Year, and the winner is GameForYou.com. It's a specialist e-retailer of PC and video games, consoles and related accessories. They have the widest gaming product range in India. Congratulations. Our next award is for E-Commerce Site Innovation, and it goes to Spice Online Retail Private Limited. Congratulations to you. They are the leading online brand for mobiles and accessories. Our next award is for Innovation in Delivery, or it's the award for Innovation in Delivery Award. And it goes to Amazon Seller Services Private Limited. Congratulations. Amazon India Seller Services Private Limited is driven by Amazon's global mission to become Earth's most customer-centric company, enabling customers to find, discover, and to buy anything online. Congratulations. Thank you, gentlemen, for doing the honors and for really taking time out for us. I think it meant a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you.